Dear friends, Namaskar, Harish Muvakar here. We have discussed press reports of accidents and natural calamity, as well as we discussed a rain report. Now we go for college activity reports. You have lots of college activities, but all activities cannot be mentioned here. I am giving you just an example, and it is related to a college celebration of annual day. So that is, I will discuss, teach to you, and then in that particular format you will be able to describe any college activity report. So here it goes like this: a colorful celebration of Xavier Arts College. Dear students, whatever college activity is there, first of all you have to give headline. Suppose it is blood donation camp, then you can mention it in the headline. Suppose there is a rally, any opening of an event, cultural program, whatever the program, whatever the activity college has done, you have to mention it in the headline. So here it is the annual day celebration and we mention it like this. Any sort of headline can be given. So, a colorful celebration of Xavier Arts College. Here, differently I have mentioned. Bureau report, Bhavnagar. Date has not been mentioned. You can mention. Instead of bureau report, you can write by our reporter or anybody's name or something else, whatever you mention too. Summary. Lead. First paragraph. A colorful celebration of Xavier Arts College was organized at the Swami Vivekananda Auditorium of the college at 9 a.m. So that is the first thing. Second paragraph goes like this. The SP of the district, Shri Ashish Solanki, was the chief guest. The registrar of the university, Mr. K.C. Upadhyay, was the other guest of honor. The program began with a prayer. In any program, my dear students, there will be chief guest or guest of honors. You can mention their name. It is not necessary to mention their real names in the examination. Just imagine a person and write. Better you avoid real names of the particular people when you are writing a report in the examination. So people as chief guest, other people as the guest of honors. And then any program will begin. After welcoming the guests, the principal congratulated the students and highlighted the present condition of the college. This would be the first thing. Or whatever the activity, it must have a kind of a beginning. You can write anyway. You have to imagine the things are taking place before your eyes, and that way you write it. That how did the program begin? Next paragraph. The principal, Professor Patel, expressed his happiness over the performance of the college. He also congratulated the staff for their hard work and guidance to the students. That is how the principal or anybody who will give you the particular outline of the program and will inform the audience how things will go ahead. Next paragraph. On this occasion, a cultural program was arranged. The students of English department presented some scenes of Shakespearean plays, The Merchant of Venice and Othello. The poetic in Hindi was presented. Here it is something wrong. Here it must be like this. The poetic scenes in Hindi was presented in a very pleasant manner. Then came a series of dances, folk dance, western dance and classical dance. They won the heart of the audience. The students also sang and shouted with the dancers. The most entertaining program was mimicry and fishpond. Because it is a cultural program, such things will take place. It is not necessary that things which have been mentioned here you also copy down in the examination. There may be a lot of things. According to your creativity, according to your imagination, you can write how things are taking place. Because it is a cultural program or an annual day, such kind of things can take place. Dance and drama and poetic scenes, songs, they would highlight the program. Students and the other people would love this thing. Some of the students did the mimicry of the teachers and leaders, and Fishpond was a lovely program. Little but witty chits were collected. Two of the professors read all of them. The audience burst into laughter, and this brought the end of the program. So here small program and it is mimicry program, and the audience loved it, how things were presented. You are writing all this as if things have taken place before your eyes. The in charge of the student activity presented a brief report. It covered NCC, NSS and other matters. Sports report was also full of achievement. Those students who won the prizes and awards were honored. Because it is annual day, the professors or other people who are in charge of other activities, generally they present reports what have they done throughout the year, what achievements, activities have been done. No doubt it be a bigger one, longer one. I also want to suggest you that it is not necessary that such kind of report is always presented in an annual function. You may remove it and you may highlight the cultural issue only. That may also be a possible way to write the report. We go ahead. Top 10 students of the examination were also honored. The glorious prize came out then. It was the announcement of the best student, which was given to Tarjani Joshi by the guest with applause, and it was received by the student herself. There were two students, Niket Sarvaiya and Ankit Dabi of NSS, who participated in the Republic Parade at New Delhi. Nihar Trivedi participated in the same event from NCC. This paragraph mentions what are the other things that have been presented in this program. Students who have brought honor to the college, maybe from NCC, maybe from NSS, Best Student Award. Generally, this would be given in the annual function. Jaimini Bariya won the gold medal at the Inter-University Athletic Championship held at Udaipur, while the mono-acting team of the college was honored for bringing a valuable trophy won at the Excel Expression held at Bhavnagar. One more activity regarding cultural program, students taking part in various activities and winning the trophies and awards, they are honored in the program. So you can mention according to your convenience, according to your imagination, and that way our report will continue. The guest of honor, Mr. Upadhyay, encouraged the students. He said, quote, "The students of our university has carried the image of our culture. Their success has shown that from a small town, anyone can go to the higher success." So, towards the end of the program, guest of honor and then the chief guest, they will deliver speeches. You must mention their speeches in brief. "I congratulate to all those who have brought glory to us." Unquote. The chief guest delivered his speech at last. He advised his students to determine a goal and work hard for it. He said, quote, Hard work without goal will not pay. From the start, a student should keep a goal in his mind. So that is how something you must write as a part of quotation. Again, I remind you that it is not necessary that you write in quotes. You may also mention his speech in few words. He should find out sources and help to achieve it. It means this is the quotation of our chief guest. Now he ends, unquote. He also emphasized on matters of moral issues and public awareness. The General Secretary delivered the vote of thanks. So that brings the end of the cultural program, I mean to say annual program. And that also brings the end of our report. This is how you can write a report related to annual day celebration. Let me also tell you that a special report, press report, can also be prepared for only and only NCC activities, NSS activities, or sports activities. The program beginning, the program ending, the guest, chief guests, their reaction, audience reaction, all these things can be mentioned in a report. This is how you can write reports. With this, we end this series of 5 lectures related to press reports and college activity reports. You must have now understood how to write the report. Still, if you have any doubt or questions or inquiry, let me know. And we will meet with a new topic in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good time.